Do you ever feel like you're spending money faster than you can save it? We've all been there. You want to invest, you want to see your money grow, but finding that extra cash to put aside every month just feels like a struggle. Well, what if I told you there's a way to invest without even feeling it? By taking the spare change from your everyday purchases and automatically turning it into investments? That's the power of Stash Round UPS, and today we're going to break down exactly how this simple feature can help you build your investment portfolio without changing your spending habits. The whole idea behind Round UPS is to take that old-school concept of a coin jar and make it digital. With Stash, this feature is tied directly to your Stash stockback card. Here's the step-by-step of how it works. Step 1. Make a purchase. When you use your Stash stockback card for a qualifying purchase, say you buy a coffee for $3.65, the Round UPS feature automatically kicks in. Step 2. The roundup. Stash rounds up that purchase to the nearest dollar. In our example, $3.65 rounds up to $4. That spare change, which is 35 cents, is your roundup amount. Step 3. The investment. This is where Stash is different. Instead of just putting that spare change into a savings account, Stash pools your Round UPS until they reach a certain threshold, and then the money is transferred from your Stash banking account into your Stash Invest account. You can then set that spare change to be invested in either a matching stock or an ETF of your choice. So that 35 cents doesn't just sit there, it goes to work for you. Think about how many little transactions you make in a week: coffee, gas, groceries. All those small roundups, 20 cents here, 80 cents there, quickly add up to real money that is being automatically invested on your behalf. It's dollar cost averaging on autopilot, making you an investor without ever having to remember to transfer funds. Turning it on is super easy, right in the Stash app under the stockback card section. You can also pause or resume at any time you want. It's an incredible tool for two main reasons. First, it makes investing automatic, removing the need for willpower. Second, it allows you to invest using money you barely even notice is gone, helping you to harness the power of compounding without feeling the pinch in your day-to-day budget. So, if you're looking for a simple, painless way to turn your spare change into a growing investment, the Stash Round UPS feature is a powerful tool you should definitely be using. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.